Well, look what decided to show up. Well, I'm just getting ready to do my shopping here. Four locomotives at the front. This is, I think this is N001, I guess. Oh, no, N001 had 3 engines at the front, and I've seen it. So this is N003. He doesn't come by here too very often either. So he's I see him every once in a while. Yeah, he doesn't. Yeah, N003 doesn't come by here too often. I seen his sibling N002 the other day, which I said it was N102. Well, it wasn't. It was N002. I said the wrong ID number. So. Moving pretty quick. I'll tell you what, these eastbounds, they really do move. So N003 is picking up speed right now. N001 I haven't seen since either January or February. And I have seen N002 the other day, so yeah, this is N003. He doesn't come by here very often. That's all I'll let you all know. I didn't see him very often. Here. Yeah, he's moving pretty quick. For eastbound, I think he's probably trying to clear because we might have somebody coming the opposite way. So we're watching the train N003 in eastbound intermodal coming out of Los Angeles and heading to Tucson. And we actually have another train connected to N003, which makes him a little bit longer. Actually, his other sibling, N001. There's N001, so N003 is a super train then. Because he's got the other sibling connected to him. Yep, there's all the trail. I know this is N003. Well, if it was N001, he would have been a lot longer, but this guy's not very long, so this must be a different train then. One connected to N003, he must be a different train. So this is not N001, the one connected to him. This is, it is N204. That's connected to N003. So this is L204. Not N, that's N003. So there you guys go. There's N003 with another train connected to them. So both trains make it the one big, long, massive train. So those two trains is just one. So that's N003. Everyone, we'll see you guys back when another train comes.